This is the Courtyard by Marriott, Starkville, Mississippi. Crossed by the Mill Conference Center and the parking garage. And we're taking a room tour in room 301. Okay, my key on my pocket. As you come in, we have your grips and backpacks or luggage, and that door goes into the closet, and that door goes into the bathroom, which I'll show you in a little bit. This right here is a king-size bed. It's a very, very nice bed. We have your blanket and a pillow. There's your lamp with the nightstand, with the good book and the phone book, Holy Bible, with your alarm clock, and center hotel telephone. We have your flat screen TV with the remote. And over here we have your refrigerator and freezer and microwave and safe. They're very clean. And over here we have your desk with the chair, with your mirror. Hello. And we have your air conditioning unit. They're very high, too cold, too heat. There's your view of the city of Starkville, Mississippi. A view of the interstate right across to the restaurants. At nighttime, alright, let's go check out the closet. Open this door up. This is your standard hotel closet with your iron board, with your iron, with your hangers. So let's close this up. Now I'm going to check out the bathroom. Now here's the standard hotel bathroom. Over here we have your sink with your mirror. Hello! Sink. Standard hotel sink. Hot, cold. Underneath the sink, the pipes. They're very clean. There's a toilet. Nice. Pressing the button for flush. Flushing. They're very, very nice clean. There's a bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. Nice for waterproof for shower head. Cold, hot. So let's close this door up. Alright, let's take one more look at the room. So what do you think of this hotel room? It's pretty darn cool. So I guess with that being said, Thank you for watching, and that is all.